Everybody in biomanufacturing has dreamed of being able to run single-use throughout the facility, throughout processing. With the Gore Protein A membrane device, we now have solved the final issues in scalability of membrane-based chromatography and are now able to conduct a fully single-use manufacturing process.
Gore protein capture devices with Protein A. It's a membrane-based affinity capture solution that operates at much higher flow rates than traditional packed bed resin systems.
Combining the AGC monoclonal antibody production platform with the Gore Protein A device, we have a very fast-track platform to super cost-efficient manufacturing of antibodies.
With the collaboration with AGC Biologics, AGC was able to demonstrate comparability between packed bed resin systems that they use in the incumbent and Gore membranes that they've most recently evaluated. The comparable product quality performance that they demonstrated gave them confidence that the end product would be the same, regardless of the Protein A capture media that they utilized. With the Gore membrane performing at a productivity of about 10 times better than packed bed resin systems. The Gore protein capture membrane-based device can be used from drug discovery phases all the way through to clinical and routine GMP bioprocessing applications as well. The importance in the discovery space is that the membrane device allows discovery scientists to screen more molecules faster, enabling ideally more therapeutic options to be assessed, which allows therapies to reach patients sooner. And the benefits in the clinical bioprocessing space are a much more highly productive Protein A capture step in downstream bioprocessing, which allows for both cost savings and facility fit and better use of downstream bioprocessing facilities for the end user.
This will improve the way we are designing facilities, bioburden control. It will allow flexibility in terms of batch sizing. When we scale up, we don't need to pack a bigger column. We can use the same devices or multiple devices. With the Gore membrane device, we now have the possibility. I'm sure it will receive widespread adoption just based on all the general advantages of single-use manufacturing.